Hey guys, if your window tracks look like this, full of dirt and grime, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean them using tools you already have at home. So let's get started. First, grab an old toothbrush and gently loosen any stubborn dirt or build up in the tracks. This helps break up the grime, making it easier to remove. Now I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment and suck out all the loose dirt. This saves you from making a muddy mess later when you add any cleaning solution. If your tracks are extra dirty, spray some degreaser along the length of the track. Let it sit for a minute or two to break down all the grime. Now take the toothbrush again and give the tracks a good scrub. The bristles will get into those tight spots and lift up any remaining dirt. For those hard to reach corners, wrap a microfiber cloth around a screwdriver. This will make it much easier to clean those tricky spots where dirt tends to collect. Once you have scrubbed everything clean, use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe away any leftover cleaner or dirt. Then dry the tracks with a clean cloth to prevent water spots or mold. And there you have it, clean window tracks without the hassle. If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy cleaning hacks. See you in the next video.